Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, it is another crochet hair install video. In today's crochet hair, as you also saw from the title, is a hair that you guys voted for. It is the Afri Naptural Soft Tex hair. Now, you guys voted for it. What do you mean? If you watched maybe 4 vlogs ago, it's been several vlogs. I asked you guys what hair did you guys want me to try next. A lot of you guys voted this hair for what hair you guys wanted me to install next. And I am. I have this hair in the color 2. This hair is 18 inches in length. I have a few packs of it. It is a 2x pack though, so I bought 3 packs. I think that should be enough because that's equivalent to about 6 bundles of hair. This hair has a look of the soft dread, which you know for years and years and years was my #1 favorite hair. Free Tress Beach Curl beat it out this year, but it's still #2. And I've tried, 60, 70 hair. So for me to really like a soft dread type hair, I'm thinking this has it, but it's a little bit looser. It's like a drop to it that I find intriguing, and that's why I'm excited to try this hair today. It does also say it's a folded loop. I'll get into that because I don't know what that means quite yet, but I'll probably see, of course, when I take it out the pack. I got the hair from Elevate Styles. I got all of the Afri Naptural hairs, the Gia Curl, the Last Curl. I bought it in a big bundle. It took no time at all. I ordered it within probably Sunday. I got it by Friday. So I got it in the same week that I ordered it. So fast shipping. Now we're going to get into the install of this hair. As per usual, my mother did my braid pattern and she did 10 braids, all going straight back, coalescing into a bun in the back of my head. So this is what the hair looks like in the pack, and I did some counting. There are 10 strands of hair on each side. With it being a 2x pack, there are 2 sides, so that means there are 20 strands per pack, which I was a little nervous about because I only had 3 packs, meaning I had 60 strands all together, but you'll see more of that at the end of the video. Also, as mentioned on the pack, it said folded loop. This loop looks no different than any loop I've ever had with a crochet hair. So there's that. To install, all I did was take the crochet needle, push it through my braid as per usual, attach the hair to the end of that needle, pull it through enough to have a little loop created, and then pull the hair through that loop twice. So at first I continued this process as is, installing the entire strand, but then I realized, hey, look, I'm going to be running out of strands pretty soon. So I need to split this hair. I say this hair is not an easy hair to split, nor a super hard hair. It's kind of medium. You have to go very slow. I say go slow. This hair does want to stay together. So go very slow. That folded loop probably is adding an element of harder to split hair, but you could also buy enough packs off rip. So I'd say do not buy 3 packs of this hair. Do about 4 and you're probably going to be good. Maybe if you have fewer braids, so like 9 braids, you're good with fewer packs, I'd say. But again, I split this hair as I'm installing it when I started realizing, hey, look, I'm going to have fewer packs and the curl doesn't look too different when it's split. This is how far I was able to get with 1 pack. And again, this is with me splitting the hair. I can break you off, your bitch do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, your bitch do it all. Sweet on me when I don't go. I can break you off, your bitch do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Moving on to the 3rd and final pack. When I get to the front, you guys know how I do. I invisible knot the hair. Instead of pulling both strands through, all I do is pull 1 strand through, which creates a smaller knot, which makes a more natural looking hairline in the front. I can break you off, your So now this is the finished look, all installed. No scissors have hit this hair. This is it at its full 18 inches of length. Let's get into the back. Let's do a whole little, let's do a 360 if I can. A whole little, if you guys can see the back. Get up in there so you guys can see the curl consistency of this hair. And then if you can see, like, I had to go in a little bit with my black because my hairline, as you know, my hair is this color, so that's my dyed hair color. And it's been freshly dyed, I think, within the last month. So that's when my hair really shines in that 33 or 30 color. And I needed to be fully black. That was the whole reason I didn't install it the last time, because I was like, this is going to be a little too, like, you're going to be able to see, especially in some places, if you get really deep in me, you're going to be able to see, like, go in and look at my braids and see these braids are stark, bright, bright, bright 30 color. So I did spray a little bit. It's not a permanent solution, and be careful with this because it does fade a bit. So I don't know how I'm going to alleviate that. The great thing about the fact that this is a couple weeks before the holidays and I don't have to go back into the office is that no one will really be up on me like that to be able to see it. I'll be working from the comforts of my home, but this is my holiday Christmas, as you can see from the nails, Christmas hair. But let's get into it. I have no hair left. Used every single drop, and I still feel like there's probably 5 more slivers that I could utilize up here, somewhere in here, filling in this gap. I like this to be a little more closed, so I usually use a little bit of hair in here. Don't have that hair to be used, so I used 3 packs, and again, it's a 2 times pack. But if you want to get the most out of it, I think you're going to need to split every single strand. You're not going to be able to do fully intact with every single strand with only 3 packs unless you got a small head, very small head. I don't know at all what the packaging on here means, folded loop. It looks like any other loop. I mean, nothing about this seems special. The hair benefits, as it claims on the back, is it's pre-stretched, pre-curled, natural volume texture. It is lightweight. It says it's lightweight, easy combing and styling. I don't know how you would run a comb through this. Styling, we'll see. And folded loop for easy installation. I'll say the installation was easy, but I think that loop is just the same as most loops that I utilize. Nothing about it seemed totally different. It is a lot different than soft dread, I'd say, in terms of, like, it's a pulled out version of soft dread. It's as if soft dread is in its unraveled state, but also stretched a bit. And I love, as much as I love soft dread, I'm excited to see what this hair has in store. But as you guys know, this is just the install video. I will have a review on this hair, as I do for every hair that I install. That will come up in a few weeks. So if you want to make sure you don't miss it, make sure you're subscribed and have that notification on so you're alerted when that review video goes live. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Lia Lavon 89 so you can keep up with my shenanigans in real time. TikTok at Lia Lavon, which is a bit more real time. If you're interested in the shirt that I made, I have it on my Etsy shop, so go shop there. All my sweatshirts are $30. That includes free shipping in the US. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.